Hi, welcome. I'm so happy you are here. I'm Simrali, and today I'm going to show how you can make a delicious and nutritious breakfast using quinoa. Quinoa is a superfood. It is a tiny seed full of protein, rich in dietary fiber, magnesium, calcium, has tremendous antioxidant properties, it has numerous benefits. So let's see how we can make a delicious breakfast. Before I jump into the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post weekly videos on crochet tutorials, on DIY crafts and innovative recipes. So let's get started. So here I have taken 1.5 katoris of quinoa. Most important is washing the quinoa because वो एक compound से coated होता है which is saponin, which is actually bitter in taste. So the taste will go all wrong if you do not wash it nicely. So you have to pre-soak it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes के बाद आप अपने हाथों से ही just rub the seed in between your palms so that जो वो layer है saponin की वो wash out हो जाए. You can also notice that the water is also yellowish to brown. It is not clear. इस process के बाद you just have to strain quinoa. And wash it nicely with the water. It's preferable to repeat this process one more time to make sure that वो बिल्कुल भी उसमें कोई bitterness ना रहे. उसके बाद उसको आप strain होने के लिए छोड़ दो so that excess water सारा उसमें से drain हो. In a pan, I've taken 1 tablespoon of desi ghee in which I will add the quinoa and then I will roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. आपको रोस्ट करना है जब तक उसमें से एक पॉपिंग साउंड आने लग जाएगा. इट विल स्टार्ट टू पॉप एंड ऑल्सो इट विल गिव अ नटी अरोमा. दिस प्रोसेस हैज़ टू बी डन ऑन अ मीडियम फ्लेम. एक बार जब ये रोस्ट हो जाएगा then I will add double the quantity of water. So I had 1.5 katoris of quinoa, so I have added 3 cups of water and low to medium flame पे I will cook it for 20 minutes and cover it with the lid and let it cook. After 20 minutes you can see that ये अच्छे से cook हो गया है. Every grain is separate. एंड ये नीचे भी बिल्कुल भी नहीं चिपका है एंड इट इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड फ्लफ़ी. When you cook quinoa, you can also store it in an airtight jar in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. So generally I boil it and then use how much ever I require and the rest I store in the fridge for the next few days. Once our quinoa is cooked, now we can prepare our breakfast. Here I have taken some mustard oil and in which I have added some sauf and some mustard seeds. Once they crackle, I will add some onions into it and I will cook them until they are light golden brown. Here I am adding some sprouts into it. Sprinkle some salt to taste. You can now add your quinoa to it and give it a good toss. To this I am adding pre-boiled broccoli and capsicum and then some spring onions. After adding vegetables of your choice, just give it a good stir and your healthy, nutritious quinoa breakfast is ready. I really hope you all like this recipe and will give it a try. If you did, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.